Hi everyone, welcome to Ask an Armourer. My name's Kia and today I'll be showing you how to bend the tang on your weapon. This method can be used on all weapon types and all tang lengths. Let's get started. As a quick note before we begin, the tang is the part of the blade that goes into the grip and can be bent to any preferred angle within the rules. Basically this means that after you've bent the tang and put the handle back on, the end of the handle can't extend past the edge of your bell guard, though it is a little more complicated than that. I've linked the official rules below for those who'd like the full explanation. Within these boundaries though, everyone's going to prefer a slightly different setup, so feel free to experiment with different angles until you find that which is most comfortable for you. For this, you'll need your blade and an 8-inch wrench with a hole at the end. If you watched my video on the first dozen tools I recommend you get, this is why I recommend this particular kind of wrench. To start, if your blade is already wired, make sure the wire is tucked safely out of the way. If it gets pinched at this point, it's very likely it's going to break off too short to actually put together your weapon properly after this, and you'll just have to rewire it anyways. Ask me how I know this. Once your wire is safely out of the way, take your wrench and slide it over the tang until it reaches where the base of your blade is. Make sure that it is pointing away from the top edge of your weapon, as first we're going to want to bend the tang down. Now, time to show off your grip strength. Using the wrench as a lever, squeeze it in towards the blade, making sure it stays in that straight line. Do this in small increments, and check the bend you've achieved after each squeeze. It's always easier to bend it in small increments rather than bending it too far and having to try and straighten it out back again afterwards. Plus, too many times bending it back and forth will just fatigue wear your weapon and cause it to break more easily in the future. Some blades will bend more easily than others, so just pay attention to how it feels in hand and adjust accordingly. Once you have your tang bent to a down angle that you prefer, all you have to do is repeat this process towards your non-dominant hand. So if you're right-handed, you'll want to bend your tang slightly to the left, and if you're left-handed, you'll want to bend it slightly to the right. And that's all you need to do. Now you can assemble your weapon and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, leave me any questions, comments, or other topics you'd like me to cover in the future down below. See you in the next one. Bye.